Hey YouTube, it's me, Sean. Well, yesterday I knew you guys on my other video. I went to TNT Firework store down at Safeway. And, I went to Shock and Knock yesterday. Didn't get to get on this thing. This thing was dead. I didn't know why. I charged it, like, a couple of nights ago. And well, not a couple of nights ago. I'm talking about, like, last night. It didn't even charge. So, but right now, I only have like 17 or 16% on this, so I have to get started with my second. The thing that you saw yesterday was not it. This is more of it. So we'll get into some stuff. What I got at Shock and Awe. It's in Washington still, and it's by this Lowe's. So it's blue and white. Okay, here we go. So, we got Dirty Dozen, and it has maximum load and special effects, 12 shots in there. And looks like you have a little, I think this might be cool. So, yeah, it's by Showtime. I don't know if you can see it. Hang on. Showtime, where are you? Where is it? Hang on. It's by Showtime. Okay, that's the thing I got. So the other thing I got was where is it? The other thing I got was Thunderstorm. I don't know how a gram cake this is, but it's like a I think it's like a 200 gram cake or 100, or I'm going into 2s, 3s, and 1s, so I don't know. But there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 shots. That's Thunderstorm. It's by, I don't know. They never tell you. It's kind of weird. Oh, $7. 7. Hang on, I'm trying to get in focus. All right, $7. Hang on. Okay. Let's go into the other stuff. I got 100 Saturn missile battery, $8. This is by they never say anything. It's kind of weird. Yeah. It smells good. Okay. We have this other cake called Breakout. I think it's let's see, it's $6. Oh yeah, okay. It was $6, and it has how many shots? It's by Showtime. This one actually said by Showtime. Breakout. How many shots? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 shots. Breakout. As you can see, I don't have that much stuff in here. It's same old as last stash. But I got some crackling balls there too. I got this one, I don't know, it shoots flaming balls. It's called Magical. Right. What? Alright. Guys, tell me in the comments down below what this means under here. This one. If you can see it, I'll let you see it right now. Okay, hang on. Okay, it's going now. Hang on. Come on, I need it in focus. Okay, I'm just gonna show it. Okay. And we do have some. I can't find it. I think that's it, guys. Wait, no. I got some more ground blooms. Like $1. That's not bad. I got more crackling balls. Yeah, I'm just gonna show this. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna just stack up all my fireworks. I don't think I should put it in a box. I don't think, because it doesn't fit. That's the thing. So this might take a while. Just hang on. Okay, so we got some bees. Just showing you again. Bees. Bees. Here, we should put the artillery shells next to each other. I lit like a couple off yesterday. They're good. They're really good. Oops. I put that in there. And we gotta put this in. Cody, stop it. Looking good as new. It's good. Alright, we'll put it by the, here. So what we're gonna do is try to find everything. Hang on. Vegetable ball. Okay, sorry. Alright, hang on. Gonna put all the cakes here. I didn't really get any fountains this year. I don't really like fountains. They're not fun. They don't go up in the air. Some of them do, but they're not good. If you guys think that, then I don't know. Got a lot of packs in here. Oh my god. I lit a lot off yesterday, so I don't really have that much fireworks left. Alright, got the lightning flash in there. Okay. Take out, yeah, we got that one. We can take that. Here, we gotta put that back in. I'd really like to put this back in, but I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Hey, there you go. Now I can put now I can put my little guy in. Or does it go the other way? Oh, shoot. Sorry, guys. Little trouble. Okay, I try to put this in my can, okay? It's hard. hands smell like fuck. Okay. We don't need that. I'll put my leftover ones later. I'll put, like, if I have leftovers, I will put them back in the box. But these are my leftovers, that Excalibur shells. Alright, so how are we gonna organize this? I'm still trying to organize, guys. I'm sorry. It's taking a long time, I know. I only have like 19 more minutes because it's like will go off. Oh shoot. Okay, let me just throw these ones out there. I'm just gonna throw these out there. I know it's like in the morning, but still. I'll get rid of these. I don't think I should. Or should I? No, I'm not going to do it. It's morning. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning, so I don't want to do that. It's me. No, it's rude. So, let's find all the little snappers. There you go. Good as new. There you go. Yeah, we're good. We're good with the snappers. It's a mess in here. Sorry, guys. Alright, I think that is going to just be garbage in here. And now I'm going to start putting this up, and then I'll let you guys see what I have. And yeah. So hang on. I'm gonna try to do this, okay? Hang on. Okay. 2. Anything that any shells. So shells go over here. Hang on. 2 of these. Okay. Okay, got those ready. I think I have my all artillery shell. Until I get more Excaliburs, I will post that up. I'm going to Boom City on Saturday, so. God, it sounds like a brick. Alright, we'll go to this big stuff now. The little cake. Things that go up in here. Maybe I should like move this back so my dad can get home inside. Alright, let's close. There we go. Like a minute now. Back here a little. Alright, little stuff. Get that up. Oh, look at the Roman candle I have. I'll show you that in a minute. Gotta put it up here. Alright. Hang on, I'm almost done. Now, small stuff I think now. Yeah. Oh, no. Yeah. Look, yep. Alright, so here we go. Put the little stuff up. Alright, I think this is it. Here we go. Let's look at it. You want to look at it? Alright. This is my firework stash. Let me get a look at it. Here, I'll let it close up. Yep. Alright, YouTube, I gotta go. Keep in touch. comment down below, and subscribe, please. I only have one subscriber from my friend Victor, so I need more subscribers. Thank you. Bye.